Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss that how can you get access to premium content for free using your college mail ID. Without any delay, let's move to the Chrome browser to see the website which gives us access to premium content for limited period of time. So let's move. So this is the Chrome browser. In the browser tab you need to type education.github.com/pack education.github.com/pack, and if you click enter, a GitHub website will appear where it will show you the GitHub student developer pack, and you need to scroll down. Here you can browse categories like cloud, design, developer tools, domains, game development, security, virtual events, anything, variety, thousands of stuff are available for free. You can get access to DigitalOcean, which is just like our AWS cloud platform, Canva for designing, and you can get a domain for yourself for 1 year with a SSL certificate, Microsoft Azure again cloud, and you can also go for professional live streams or create webinars through StreamYard, and name.com will also allow you or give you a domain for 1 year with a again another email and hosting. Then you have Educative, which can upgrade your coding skills, and JetBrains IDE. Generally, while you are using PyCharm, you must be using the community edition of Python, but here it will give you access to the professional version of PyCharm IDE, and you can also use GitHub for reviewing the code and management, and you can also upskill your front-end development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using front-end masters. And DataCamp also offers you to build data fluency. Bootstrap Studio, which actually creates responsive websites using that Bootstrap framework. Then again you get variety of platforms where you can get domains for free, and these are many apps which you can scroll through and see what are their functions. Where is Notion app is also there, which increases your productivity. Means you can, just like Google Tasks, you can schedule your task and tick whenever you are completed with it. It's there. Where it is. This one is Code Scene, is also a nice one. It creates social patterns in your code. Then Notion is there. I think I missed it. Notion is there, but please scroll through and check it out. So this was the website I was talking about, and Algolia is also one hosted API that supports total front end to back end frameworks of all the libraries. Uh, Check out Notion, it is also a quite productivity app, and you can also get powerful Git client for iPhone and iPad. These are all free until and unless you have your education, means college email ID. These all things are free, you need to sign in and see. You can also explore teacher programs. This is not for you, and you can check out schools, or no, you check out the benefits. For individual, I mean students, it is free if you have a student mail ID, and for schools you have to contact GitHub Education or contact sales, but you just need this to access all these things. And if you want to scroll through, then you can go all these schools and all that, but main target area is all this game development. Let's see, Unity is there in game development. I can also show you and demo a game which was created in Unity. Now I will show you a small example. uh, so this is one of the example. Means I have registered my college email ID in GitHub Student Pack or Developer Pack. So I have downloaded the Unity software, which helps you to develop games. So this is one of the game which was pre-developed by Unity. You just I will show you how it goes. Yeah, this is just like this. It will jump over here and move. Then again it will move over here, move. Then you won't be able to hear the sound because the screen recording is going on and only my voice will be heard. So this was just one of the example I need to show. You can also download this and develop games. Yeah, so this was the stuff. So oh shit, I lost. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe, and share this video as much as you can, as many of them don't know about this GitHub Student Pack. So thank you.